Hi, my name is Sander S. Balete from Grade 12E Javier. Community engagement. Question: Who does globalization affect the socio-cultural dynamic of Filipino communities? Answer: Globalization has a complex and multifaceted impact of Filipino communities, leading to both positive economic opportunities, cultural exchange, and negative cultural homogenization, social inequity consequence. Question number 2. What the impact of neoliberal policies on economic inequality in developing countries? Answer: Neoliberal policies have been linked to both economic growth and increased economic inequality in developing countries, with the benefit often concentrated among the wealthy. Question number 3. Who can interdisciplinary approach in social science help solve urban poverty? Answer: Interdisciplinary approach in the social science by integrating insight from the various fields can provide a more holistic understanding of urban poverty and lead to more effective solution. Thank you. Contemporary arts. Question: Who do contemporary Filipino artists use their work to comment on political and social issues? Answer: Contemporary Filipino artists are their work as a powerful tool for social and political community, employing diverse artist styles and techniques to express their views on the range of issues. 2. What is the role of digital media in the evolution of contemporary arts form in the Philippines? Question: Digital media has revolution, revolu- revolutionized contemporary Philippine arts by expanding its reach, fostering new artist expression, and facilitating global collaboration. Although it also presents a challenge related to accessibility and copyright. Question number 3. Who has globalization influenced them in style in contemporary Philippine arts? Question. Answer. Globalization has enriched contemporary Philippine arts by introducing new style and expanding thematic scope, but it also posed the challenge of maintaining cultural distinctiveness. Thank you. Disaster readiness. Question: What are the most effective early warning system for natural disaster in high-risk area? Answer: The most effective daily warning system integrate advanced monitoring technologies, rapid communication channel, community participation, comprehensive evacuation plan, and delayed risk assessment. Question number 2. Who do educational situation contribute to disaster preparedness in the Philippines? Answer: Educational institution contribute to disaster preparedness by integrating disaster education into curricular educating drill and then engaging in community training staff, and stabilizing resource center. Question number 3. What is the role of public-private partnership in disaster risk reduction strategies? Answer. Public-private partnership are essential for effective disaster risk education, combining resources, expertise, and innovation to implement comprehensive strategies. 21st century literature. Question. Who does contemporary Filipino literature reflect the country's struggle with poverty and inequality? Answer. Contemporary Filipino literature reflect the country's struggle with poverty and inequality by portraying the lived experience for marginalized community in critique social justice in advocating for social change. Question number 2. What are the imaginary themes in 21st century literature regarding climate change and environmental activities? Answer. Emerging them in 21st century Filipino literature regarding climate change and environmental activities include environmental degradation, climate justice, environmental activities, interconnection of environmental and social issues, and the compassionate incorporation for indigenous knowledge. Question number 3. Who are gender role in identities portrayed in contemporary Philippine fiction? Answer. Contemporary Philippine fiction challenge traditional gender and role the identities by deconducting, exploring LGBTQ experiences, incorporating feminist perspectives, recognizing intersectionality, and portraying complex characters. Discipline and idea in the social science. Question. Who does globalization affect the social-cultural dynamic of Filipino communities? Answer. Globalization presents both opportunities and challenges for Filipino communities when the offers access to global market and information. It can also lead to cultural homogenization, social inequality, and the erosion of traditional practice. Question number 2. Are the impact of neoliberal policies on economic inequality in developing countries? Answer. Neoliberal policies exacerbate economic inequality in developing countries by concentrating wealth, limiting access to resources for marginalized groups and potentially weakening social safety nets. Question number 3. You can interdisciplinary approach in social science help solve urban poverty? 3. Interdisciplinary approach in the social science offer the holistic understanding of urban poverty, enabling and development of more effective and tailored social outcomes in insight from various disciplines. Thank you. Religion. Question. How does religion influence environmental and things in the different cultures? Answer. Religion significant shape of environmental ethics across culture with some tradition emphasizing stewardship and conservation while others prioritize human needs leading to diverse approach to environmental management. Question number 2. What is the role of religion institution in humanitarian aid and disaster relief? Answer. Religion institution as significant action in humanitarian of the and disaster relief, providing immediate assistance, engagement in a long-term recovery effort, and leveraging their extensive network to reach affected population. Question number 3. Who do different religion approach the concept of human right in modern societies? Answer. Different religion approach human right with varying representative or through many uphold the inherent of very human being. Whoever interpretation and application of human rights principle and differ leading to potential conflict with circular human rights frameworks. Empowerment technology, e-tech. Question. Who can social media and media platforms be used to enhance community disaster preparedness? Answer. Social, social media platform can enhance community disaster preparedness by disseminating information, engaging communities, mobilization resources, creating early warning system, and facilities post-disaster recovery. Question number 2. What are ethical concerns surrounding the use of technology in disaster surveillance? Answer. Ethical concerns regarding technology in disaster surveillance include privacy violation, potential bias, lack of transparency, surveillance abuse, and data security risk. Question number 3. Who can digital tools be unitized to improve the online education in the under communities? Answer. Digital tools can provide online education in underserved communities by increased access, enabling personalized by flexible learning, providing teacher training and fostering community engagement. Fundamentals of accounting, business, and management. Question. Who do modern accounting software program streamline financial reporting in small business? Answer. Modern accounting software program streamline financial reporting in small business by automating many manual tasks such as data entry, calculation, and report generation. Question number 2. What are the benefits of cloud-based accounting system of micro enterprise? Answer. Cloud-based accounting system offer several benefits for micro enterprise. Question number 3. Who do internal control system affect fraud prevention in small to medium-sized enterprise? Answer. Robust internal control system are crucial for prevention in small to medium-sized enterprise. General mathematics. Question. Who can mathematical modeling be applied to optimize disaster relief resources allocation? Answer. Mathematical modeling including technique are linear programming, network flow optimization, and simulation can optimize disaster relief resources allocation by creating a mathematical representation of the problem and considering factors like population needs, available resources, and logistical constraints to maximize aid's effectiveness. Question number 2. What the role probability theory play in predicting natural disaster occurrence? Answer. Probability theory allows for the estimation of the likelihood of future natural disaster based on historical data, geological survey, and methodological information, establishing risk assessment, preparedness planning, and resource allocation. Question number 3. Who does mathematical retribute to the development of algorithm for disaster simulation? Answer: mathematics provide the foundation for use in disaster simulation by supplying the mathematical models that represent the physical process involved in disaster and the numeral methods need to solve these models on computers. General biology. Question number 1. Who does habitat destruction affect biodiversity in the Philippine rainforest? Answer: habitat destruction in the Philippines rainforest dramatically reduce biodiversity. The loss of habitat directly leads to the decline and extinction of plant and animal species that depend on those specific environment. Question number 2. What is the role of genetic in diversity in the survival of endangered species in the Philippines? Answer: genetic diversity is crucial for the survival of endangered species in the Philippines. Question number 3. Who do marine ecosystem contribute to climate regulation in Southeast Asia? Answer: marine ecosystem in Southeast Asia play a vital role in climate regulation through several mechanisms. General chemistry. Question number 1. Who can green chemistry be applied to reduce waste in the manufacturing industry? Answer: green chemistry principle can significantly reduce waste in manufacturing by focusing on preventing waste generation rather than treating in the after it produced. Question number 2. What is the role of chemical reaction in understanding atmospheric population? Answer: understand chemical reaction is fundamental to comprehending atmospheric pollution. Question number 3. Who do chemical process contribute to the development of sustainable energy source? Answer: chemical process are crucial of development sustainable energy resources. Earth and Life Science. Question number 1. Who does volcanic activity influence biodiversity in surrounding ecosystem? Answer: volcanic activity has a complex and often devastating impact on biodiversity in surrounding ecosystem. Question number 2. What are the long-term effects of climate change on the Philippine coral reef? Answer: climate change poses significant long-term threat to Philippine coral reef. Question number 3. Who can natural resources be sustainable managed to mitigate the impact of natural disaster? Answer: sustainable management of natural resources is crucial for mitigating the impacts of natural disaster. English for academic and professional purposes. Question number 1. Who does academic English proficiency affect student performance in technical subjects like science and math? Answer: academic English proficiency significantly impact student performance in technical subjects like science and math. Question number 2. What are the challenges of teaching English as a second language in the Philippines rural areas? Answer: teaching English as a second language in the Philippines rural areas present unique challenge. Question number 3. Who does improving academic writing skill retribute to success in professional cares? Answer: strong academic writing skill are highly transferable and significantly contribute to professional success.